Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install RGB's infinite durability and repair mod in Dying Light the Beast. I show you guys how to install it. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and go to files. Select the manual download option. Select the download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new one, and then select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, right click on the WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract done, double click on the extracted folder and extract to left and right. You just need to navigate to the game folder. In my case, I saved in C drive. After you are in the game folder, you just need to go to ph_ft source folder. Just drag and drop this file to this folder and select the replace the file in the destination. And now you can just close tab here and open the game and enjoy the mod, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.